One of my favorite features about having a hybrid piano instead of an acoustic piano is that I can play backing tracks directly out of the piano speakers while playing along with it. In this video, I'll show you how to do that using Bluetooth from your phone. Really handy, and we're going to be doing this testing out Reading Railroad, which is a vibrant music teaching resource, but you can do this with any set of backing tracks, anything you want to play out of your piano and play along with. So first we need to set up the Bluetooth on your actual piano. For me, I'm on a Kawai Novus MV10. So the way I get to the settings page is I go sound down here, sound, then I go to the three dots with the three lines. Then I need to scroll down to settings and make sure Bluetooth audio, this one right here, is switched on. Sometimes if it's not showing up on your device, you need to switch it off and back on again. And now we need to go into your device and turn on Bluetooth there. So this is an iPhone. This works very similarly on Android. I was recently on Android instead, so I know the process works with both. You're going to need to go to your Bluetooth setting on an iPhone. You just tap and hold on that, and then it should pop up a list like that, and this one just says NV10 audio. Really simple. I just tap on that and it's connected. Then what I'm going to do is open up the audio that I want to play, the backing tracks I want to play. For me, they're on Dropbox in this case. You might be playing them directly from VMT, from another site, or from your phone, from Apple Music, anywhere like that. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to be testing the slow backing track for Reading Railway 5. I just press play right here in Dropbox or wherever you're playing your track from. So it's really as simple as that. I just press play, that's coming through my piano speakers right here, and so is what I'm playing, which is just incredibly handy. I can't tell you how many times I've used this already, and this is still quite a new piano for me. I love this feature. Let me show you that with one more track just so that you're clear on the process. I'm going to go to Reading Railroad 2 this time, the second exercise, and we'll try and play it. Okay, I'm still using the slow version of this. So let's try it from here. Beautiful, easy, simple, super useful. I hope you enjoyed using this feature. If you have any questions about how this works, or if you just want to leave a comment, let me know about another feature that I might find cool, leave it in the comments below.